formatting of text. Here I'm going to design an invitation card. It's just a small and a simple one. These are the words which I am going to insert in the invitation card, but you can see that it's not attractive or beautiful one. I'm going to decorate the words by using text formats which we can use in Microsoft Word. As a whole, we can explain text formatting as decorating our Word document by using different formats and different tools which we can use in Microsoft Word. Here, party invitation. Here I want to change the size of this one, as this is a topic. First, before doing any changing in formatting, we have to select the words which you want, and after we select the word, there is a pop-up window. It's a hover window here. We can change the size. Is here. This is the font type. We have two buttons to shrink and grow our word sizes. It's a painter. This is styles, like that. We have many style changes here. Or we can move into home tab, and there are paragraph group and font group. In font group there are many options. Let's think I want to resize the topic. You can see that we can click this small arrow and select the size of the words which we are going to use. 28 is better. I'm here to change the font here. I use Times New Roman font type. And if you want to change the size by clicking this button, you can use it also. I think this is better. And there are few other options which we can use to change our words. The bold. If we click bold, the words get darker color or bold color, and if we need, we can use italic. It's not suitable, and we can use underlines here. If you need a strike through, you can get it. I think it's not suitable here. And that you can do changes to this topic. And if you want to change the case of letters here, we can use this one. Change the case. You can change all the letters into lowercase by using this option, and all the letters to uppercase by this tool. Capitalize each word here. Here I use uppercase. And I think the alignment should be changed. To change the alignment, first I select all the words, and here in the paragraph group, the alignment options are here. I use center. I'm changing the other words. I want to highlight this few words which contain the date and the day. To highlight any word, you can use this option here and select the color. I use yellow color here, and I change the size of letters. And I can enter address here. This is the donation which you are going to follow. I will, maybe now it's more eye-catchable. Now you can see that it's little bit more improved one. If you want to change the color of letters, you can use change the color of these letters by clicking this option in the font group. You can select any color, or if there is no color which you want, you can click more colors and select one of these colors. I think this is better. I I will bold it. If you want, you can increase the line spacing here. And then there are many formats which you can apply into words, and these are few of them. By practicing, you can catch all the formatting changes by yourself. I think this is more attractive invitation card than our previous one. Madz Academy. The art of learning.